Welcome to Camera Critic. Today, we're exploring the best laptop for 3D printing. Whether you're a pro or just starting, we've got the perfect picks. Check out the buy links in the description and comment box. Let's dive in. At number 6 is HP ZBook. Check out the HP ZBook Firefly 14 G10. This powerful workstation features a 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1360P processor, 32GB DDR5 RAM, and a speedy 1TB PCI SSD. The 14-inch FHD Plus touchscreen display with anti-glare tech ensures vibrant visuals for detailed 3D models. Plus, with Intel Iris Xe graphics, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3, you'll enjoy smooth performance and connectivity. The backlit keyboard and fingerprint reader add convenience. For anyone in 3D printing, this is a top choice. Links to buy are in the description and comments. At number 5 is Lenovo ThinkPad P. The Lenovo ThinkPad P15V Gen 3 is a powerhouse. With an Intel Core i7-12700H processor and NVIDIA Quadro T1200 graphics, it's designed to handle intensive 3D rendering with ease. The 64GB DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, while the 4TB SSD offers vast storage for your projects. The 15.6-inch FHD display delivers crisp visuals, and with Windows 11 Pro, productivity is a breeze. Its robust build, fingerprint reader, and extensive connectivity options make it ideal for professionals in 3D printing. A top choice for serious creators. Now at number 4 is MSI Creator M14. Powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i7 and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, this laptop delivers exceptional performance for 3D modeling and rendering. Its 14-inch 2.8K QHD Plus display ensures vibrant and accurate colors, perfect for detailed design work. With 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast load times and seamless multitasking. Plus, its lightweight, sleek design makes it highly portable. For creators who demand power and precision, the MSI Creator M14 is an unbeatable option. At number 3 is the 2022 MacBook Air with M2 chip is the ultimate blend of power and portability, perfect for anyone diving into 3D printing. With its strikingly thin design, weighing just 2.7 pounds, this laptop is incredibly easy to take on the go. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display offers stunning visuals with over 500 nits of brightness and support for 1 billion colors, ideal for viewing detailed 3D models. Powered by an 8-core CPU and up to a 10-core GPU, this MacBook Air handles 3D design software effortlessly, making it the best laptop for 3D printing enthusiasts. Plus, it features up to 24GB of unified memory and up to 18 hours of battery life, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted workflow. The advanced 1080p FaceTime HD camera, spatial audio, and versatile connectivity options, including MagSafe charging, add even more value. Built to last with an all-aluminum unibody, this laptop is not just powerful but also durable. The only minor con is its limited storage at 256GB, but it's easily upgradable. For those in the 3D printing world, the MacBook Air with M2 chip is a top choice, combining sleek design with robust performance. At number 2 is Acer Nitro 5. The Acer Nitro V gaming laptop is a powerhouse for both gamers and creators, making it the best laptop for 3D printing enthusiasts. With its 13th Gen Intel Core i7-13620H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, it delivers top-tier performance, ensuring smooth and efficient 3D modeling and rendering. The 15.6-inch FHD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate provides vibrant visuals, perfect for detailed design work. Equipped with 16GB DDR5 RAM and a 512GB Gen 4 SSD, it handles large files effortlessly. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6 and Thunderbolt 4, while the dual fans keep it cool during intense tasks. The only downside is its weight, but with such performance, it's a minor trade-off. At number 1 is Razer Blade 16. The Razer Blade 16, 2024, is a top contender. With its powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 and Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, this laptop ensures flawless performance, whether you're rendering complex 3D models or gaming. The 16-inch OLED QHD plus 240Hz display provides stunning visuals with a 0.2 milliseconds response time, perfect for detailed 3D work. Plus, the vapor chamber cooling system keeps it cool under pressure. The ultra-durable aluminum unibody and compact GAN charger make it both rugged and portable. The only downside? Its weight, but that's a small trade-off for such power. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech tips and reviews. Whether you're a 3D printing pro or just getting started, choosing the right laptop is key. Let us know in the comments which laptop you think is the best for 3D printing, and we'll see you in the next video.